everyone, today I'm going to show you how I washed my brushes. This video is going to be linked to a blog post as well, and so you can check the blog post out as well if you want to. This is just how I wash my brushes, so I'm not saying that it's the only right way to do it, it just works for me. So if you'd like to see what I do, you can just carry on watching. Okay, so you need to take some warm water in a bowl or a jug, depends on how much or how many brushes you have. You need to add some soap, either shampoo, like a very gentle shampoo or a very gentle soap. And what I'm doing, I'm using my body wash, which is from Good Stuff, the Rock and Rooibos, and it smells divine. So I'm going to be using that one, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the water. Then I'm going to take this brush, which is the base. You can put your base on with it or your concealer, and I'm just going to mix the soap in there with this brush. Now what you'll see is I'm sort of trying to clean it by not touching it just yet, and just using the bottom of the holder and just swirling the makeup brush, and you'll see that the water is starting to go like the color of base. Okay, now you gently go over the bristles. Sorry, I don't know where my words are today. So you gently brush the bristles to try and get rid of the makeup. You can see there's a lot. It's just quite funny because I hardly use this brush as well. You can use the blender. Shows you how much the brushes actually pick up. And then I'm going to be putting this onto a towel to let it dry, and turn it upside down so that the water can run downwards. And then I'm going to get my other brushes out. If you've got a smaller holder to put your brushes in, it would be much better, because so that they don't go in like this one. These ones are. Swirl them a bit. I'll stop doing them individually. Obviously with the little sponges you need to be careful that you don't pull them out. You also don't want to mess with your bristles too much, so don't be hard on your brushes when you're doing this. You don't want to leave the stuff in the water for too long, because then it can actually mess up the glue that keeps your brush to your holder, you know, to your handle. So don't just leave it in there for too long. so that is the brushes that come like your makeup brushes. Now there's the brushes that come with the palettes, the color palettes that you get. So these I don't use that often, but I do use them sometimes, so I'm also going to clean them. Because they're small, I'm not just going to put them in here. And I know that some people wash their brushes all together at the same time. I don't like doing that because then it doesn't get clean the way that I want it to be clean. About these sponges is they don't come clean. Like the stains don't come out of it. It's clean to use, but it's not like the marks haven't come out. Okay, and then with the beauty blenders, all I do is I add a little bit more soap to the actual beauty blender. And I rub it in. Blue is always such a difficult color to get out of brushes and sponges and stuff. Blue and black. With the beauty blenders, these ones I'm only doing here because for the sake of the video, but usually these I would clean at the actual basin because it's just easier to rinse them out because they soak up a lot of excess makeup, so there's a lot in it, so it's just easier to rinse it out. And you can actually see after you've washed it, it plumps up again, which is cool. It looks bigger. So that is how you clean it. Now usually what I do is I would just leave it on this towel in here. I would just leave it here until it's dry, but because I need to do my makeup just now, so I need some of my brushes, I'm going to actually put it in the sun. If you do that, don't leave it out there too long because it can also damage your brushes and your bristles and stuff. So just leave it out there for a little while, just until it gets dry. Don't forget about it out there. And that's how I clean my brushes. So I hope the video helped you a little bit, and if it did, can you please give it a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed already, if you can please click the subscription block, I would really appreciate it. All of my social media will be in the description block below, so you can just go and have a look there. My blog is also there. I'm also going to have a blog for this video. I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on and your sparkle strong. Goodbye.